Da 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 da. I installed the app yesterday. I set up the app yesterday. My orientation starts tomorrow. My intro session starts tomorrow. He is a renowned chef. He is a famous chef. That comment wasn't appropriate. That comment wasn't okay. I forgot an ingredient today. I forgot an item today. I need more storage space. I need more space. This beverage is too sweet. This drink is too sweet. I had no prior notice. Nobody told me in advance. The merger was announced yesterday. The deal was announced yesterday. We stayed at a small inn.
We stayed at a small hotel. They equipped the room well. They set up the room well.
I read the summary already. I read the overview already.
I signed the lease yesterday. I signed the contract yesterday.
This charger is defective. This charger is broken. We have a quarterly meeting soon. We have a regular meeting soon. We got an extended deadline. We got a longer deadline. Oh.
I met an architect today. I met a designer today. I work at a grocery store. I work at a market. She made a small sculpture. She made a small statue.
I checked my itinerary today. I checked my schedule today. I found it in the directory. I found it in the list. My visa will expire soon. My visa runs out soon.
The vendor sells snacks. The seller sells snacks.
I talked to a colleague today. I talked to a coworker today. Yeah.
The patron left a tip. The customer left a tip.
They plan to relocate soon. They plan to move soon. Tourism is growing here. More tourists are coming here. They will remodel the kitchen. They will redo the kitchen. All consumers want options. All customers want options. Oh, they will inspect the room. They will check the room.